for a music and entertainment segment sponsored by Springfield Music. Hello, everyone.
Hello, new friends.
All right, yeah, new faces. All right, Brandon.
Yes.
You've got some new faces on the show.
Oh, we know. Everybody's already seen Tammy. Tammy's been on the show before a couple
yes,
times.
she has.
She started actually about a year ago,
yeah,
right?
A year.
So you can't say her name anymore.
Almost right in.
Yeah, all right.
But now we do have a brand new guy this year, Dustin Gross. Right here, brand new,
welcome.
started in March.
Yes.
Been a great new addition. He's going to show off a little bit of his vocal ability.
You're going to feature Dustin
We're going to feature him, yes.
All right, and then talk about Todd is also
Yep.
kind of
Todd is on. He'll be here before too long. He's actually performing today with the Legends, believe it or not. So
He
he's
is.
with them right now.
He's Kenny
performing.
Chesney today.
He's Kenny Chesney, probably as we speak.
Yes.
Kenny Chesney.
And he's a great addition to your
He's
show
been,
as well.
we've been very blessed to have a lot of new cast members, and they all just kind of seem to fit like a glove with all of
Yeah,
us.
you guys seem happy. Everybody seems happy.
Kelly, I was just looking. Guess what?
What?
Everybody right here is a Branson performer.
We are.
Everybody.
Yeah.
I knew I liked this group. I knew
And we
it.
make the perfect stair step on both sides.
Perfect.
Well, if I take my heels off, that would be
Well, I
nice.
don't care.
Dustin, tell us about how you're enjoying things over there.
I love it. It's they're great people to work with. I'm home every night, and it's a great atmosphere. I love it.
It's good to be home. And you play guitar?
Yes, ma'am. Play guitar, sing a few songs, and just get to jail with everybody. I love it.
Who's your favorite artist? That's what I like to ask people. Who's your favorite artist?
Man, it's hard to say. I really don't know.
Okay, I put you on the spot. I was just
You
curious.
like the real country music?
Yeah, real country, 90s country. I even like, I like any kind of music. I love all sorts of music. I love to perform all sorts of music, like listen to all sorts of music. So
That's good.
The show is great. The show is great. And of
Thank
course, your lovely bride is backstage.
Yes.
She's performing on the show this
She
year. Like
is,
always.
of course. You know, she's actually back there with all the kids right now. All four of the kids
I was
are
so
back
excited
there
to
with
meet her.
Megan.
She is
She's
lovely.
a tough woman, I'm
She
telling
is
you.
a tough woman. And she sings I'll Always Love You, which just knocks the house down.
Knocks it dead. Yep,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
When are your shows? When can people watch
We
them
are
in Branson?
Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m., and then we're off Friday, believe it or not. We're actually there Saturday night at 8 p.m. So Monday through Thursday, Saturday night, 8 p.m., right in the heart of 76.
All right, we're going to let Dustin be featured here.
Yes.
Y'all, do your thing.
All right.
thank you.
She's been going out with him. She's been going out with me. Said she'd let us know by tonight which one it would be. So I waited by the phone, but she never called me up. Had to know what was going on. And I drove by her house. Sure enough, that ain't my truck. Can't really drive. Man, this ain't my day tonight. It looks like she's in love and I'm out of love. That ain't my shadow on the wall. Lord, this don't look good at all. That's my girl, my whole world. That ain't my truck. I pulled over by the curb, and I've been sitting here all night, wondering what it was I did so wrong, that he did so right. I thought of breaking down the door, but there's nothing left to say. That Chevy 4x4 says it all, sitting